Hi children, today let us learn two measurements. Longest, shortest. We'll compare three items I'll give you and you observe, you look and say which is the shortest and which is the longest. Yes, and that's what we are going to learn. Two measurements. What are the two measurements? Longest, shortest. Observe, look and say. Okay, so we are going to have pictures only, observation. Let's look at our first pictures to compare. Look what you have here. We have three items. Can you see? What is the first one? A pen. Yes. A toothbrush. Yes. A huge pencil. All three are of different length. Yes. We are looking at how long it is. Now, look at this pencil and look at this pen. The pencil is long. Certainly, the toothbrush is shorter than this. The pen is longer than the toothbrush. We are comparing the three items, which is the shortest of the three. Certainly, you can look and see and say for yourself, the tiny toothbrush. The toothbrush is the shortest of the three items. Good. Next, longer? Yes, certainly the pen. But of the three, which is the longest item here? The pencil. The pencil is the longest and the toothbrush is the shortest item in this box. Yes, so we are learning two measurements. Identify the shortest item. Identify the longest item. Pencil is the longest. Toothbrush is the shortest. You compare the three items. Did you enjoy? We're going to have more pictures to understand the measurements, shortest and longest. Let's take another set of things and look and see for ourselves. What are the items given to you? You have a candle. You have daddy's tie here and a pencil. Look carefully. Observe and see. Of the three items, pencils, tie and a candle, which is the shortest item here? Good. The shortest is the candle. Candle is the shortest of the three. The next longer item is, good, the pencil. And the longest item here is the tie. What are we learning? Measurements, comparing, which is the shortest and the longest. In this, the tie is the longest and the candle is the shortest. Did you enjoy the exercise? Let's get on with another picture and three different other items. Good. You are learning to observe. You are learning to identify the shortest and the longest. Comparing the items given to you. Look what you have here. What do you have right in the middle? You have a bat. Cricket bat. Here you have a carrot. Love to eat carrot. And here you have a magic wand. You like to use the magic wand? Dress up like a fairy? Good. Now we have a carrot, a cricket bat and a magic wand. Now of the three, which is the longest item? Certainly the bat. The cricket bat, when you look here, the cricket bat is the longest item in this. Of the three, the bat is the longest. Next longest? Yes, the magic wand. Which is the shortest item here? Definitely the carrot. Carrot is the shortest item of the three and the cricket bat is the longest item. We are learning longest and shortest. This is the shortest item. This is the longest item. Yes, you learn to compare, you learn to look and say which measurement is the shortest, which is the longest. Good. Let's take another exercise and observe the items to identify the shortest and the longest. Look, see what we have here. You have a sphere here, a water bottle here, and there is a stand here. Yes, 3 items, a sphere, a water bottle, cool water bottle, and a stand. Book stand or whatever to read. Podium will use a stand like this. Now, of the 3 items, which is the shortest? Observe and see. Look, open your eyes. Certainly, the bottle, your water bottle, is the shortest of the 3 items. And the next tall item is the stand, and the tallest of the 3 items or longest. The longest item is this, the sphere. Of the 3, we are learning shortest and the longest. Which is the shortest item? The cool water bottle. Good. And the longest one is the sphere. You learn to compare the item. Longest, shortest. Did you enjoy the exercise? Good. Let's take another 3 items to compare and tell which is the shortest and the longest. You might have seen vegetables in the market, vegetables in mommy's kitchen. Yes, you might have seen long vegetable like this, and you might have seen short vegetable like this. Look, we have 3 vegetables here. A brinjal, eggplant. This is bitter gourd. I'm sure you don't like it because it is very bitter. And what is this? It's the shape of a bottle, and we call it bottle gourd. Bottle gourd, bitter gourd, and snake plant as your brinjal. Now, look, which is the longest of the 3 vegetables? Certainly, the bottle gourd is the longest of the 3 vegetables here. And which is the shortest? The brinjal, the eggplant, is the shortest of the 3. So we learned longest and shortest. Which is the shortest vegetable? Brinjal. Longest, bottle gourd. We learned 2 measurements, longest and shortest. Good.